Hello, Brock kindergartners. It's Mrs. Bancheri here. I'm so excited to be the one who's going to be teaching you today. So today, I want to talk to you a little bit about using our vowel sounds. And I want to think about using our vowel sounds with CVC words and CVCE words. So let's get started. When you're looking at your reading strategies sheet, this is the one that you're looking for to help you. Vowels can make two different sounds. They can make the short sound, or they can say their letter name and make the long sound. So let's review our short vowels sounds together. A, apple. E, elephant, or some of you say ed. I, itch. O, octopus. And U, umbrella. Now, let's review our long vowel sounds together. Remember, long vowel sounds say the letter name. So A, E, I, O, and U. Those are the long vowel sounds that each of those letters make. When we are flexible with vowels, we try a different sound if one does not work in the word. So we're going to look first at our CVC words. And CVC means there's a consonant, a vowel, and then another consonant. So let's look at the first picture of the pig. Let's stretch that out and see if we could get that short vowel sound in the middle of pig. P, I, G. That's right, you heard that short I, P, I, G. Pig. Let's go to the next one. There's a picture of a sun. So let's stretch that. Sun. So I hear the S at the beginning. And then I hear the short U, and then at the end, that N. Nice. Let's try the last one. That's a picture of a pen. N. So the sound. That's right. Elephant or ed. So we would have P, E, N. Pen. The vowel makes the short sound in these words. Now let's look at some CVCE words. That means that there's a consonant, a vowel, a consonant, and a silent E at the end. So if we start with this word tub, but I want it to be the word tube. I want it to make that oo sound, that long U. What do I need at the end? That's right, that E. Let's look at the next word. In. Now, if I add that E, what happens to the I? That's right, it says the long sound, so we need to say fine. And the last one, can. That's the sight word we all know. If I add the E to the end, the A is going to say A. Cane. So that's the word cane. And just a little tip for parents, if your child uses that short sound instead, ask them if they see that magic E at the end, and then they'll know to go back and use that long vowel sound and use that letter name instead. So let's try it out with both CVC and CVCE words. Let's see if we can figure out if we need that E at the end or if we don't. Let's start with the first picture, the picture of the box. Does it have an E at the end or does it not have an E? You're right. It's B-O-X because we wouldn't say bokes. Let's try the next one. It's a picture of a hose. I hear that O. So I know that I'm going to need you got it, the E at the end. Let's try the next one. Cake. Listen for that sound in the middle. Cake. I hear the A. That means you need that E at the end to make that long sound. Let's try the next one together. Map. I hear A in the middle of that word. So I need the top one. That's right. We don't need the E. It's not a mape. Let's try the next one. It's a picture of a kite. Let's stretch that together. Kite. I hear that I. I need that E at the end to make the I say I. And the last one is a picture of a fan. I hear A in the middle of that word. That's right. A at apple. We need that short A. We don't need it to say A. So it's the top one, F-A-N. Nice job with that. So now let's make some CVCE words from the CVC words. We're going to just add the silent E and see what it does to the word. The first one is a picture of a cub, a cub. If I want to change that to say cube, what do I need at the end? That's right, put that E at the end. Let's look at the next one. It's a picture of a cap. I want it to say cape. What would I need at the end? That's right, I need the E, C-A-P-E, cape. And last, I have a picture of a pin. Now, if I want that I to say I, it's going to be the word pine. I need to put an E at the end. P-I-N-E, pine. Nice job. Now we can read a book together and use this strategy to help us puzzle through some unknown words. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. So the title of the book we're going to read is Quack the Hero. So in this book, Quack the Hero, there's going to be a little girl and there's going to be the duck named Quack. You can tell by this picture that there's going to be some sort of water involved also. And I see a boat in the background too. Let's see what happens and why is it called Quack the Hero. So when I see the word that's inside of the box, I'm going to say blank. It's going to mean that I have to work on that word. Let's get started. Quack went for a blank in the pond. So I know this is a CVC word. So I know that that vowel, that I in that word is going to say eh. I'm going to say swa, eh, Quack went for a swim in the pond. Look at this boat, said a girl. She took the boat out for a blank. So there's that word. It has that E at the end. It's a CVCE word. She took the boat out for a ride. Look, said the girl. I see blank in the water. So that word has f and then an I, sh, f, ish. I used that short I sound in that word. There was no E at the end. Oh no, shouted Quack. Look out! Look out! The girl blank into the water. Oh no, said Quack. So the girl blank. There is the letter F. And there's not an E at the end of the word. So I know that E is going to say F. L. Fell. The girl fell into the water. Oh no, said Quack. Blank I come, said Quack. I am coming. Quack went to the girl. So there's that word. It starts with a sound, and I see an E, and I see another E at the end of the word. So I know it's a CVCE word. The E is going to say its name, E, and let's see if I could figure it out. Ear. Here I come, said Quack. I am coming. Quack went to the girl. Good job. Here I am, said Quack. You are blank. So this word starts with the sound S, and then I see an A and I see an E at the end. So that tells me it's a CVCE word. So the vowel is going to say its name. Let me try it. Safe. Safe. Here I am, said Quack. You are safe. Great job. Thank you, said the girl. You saved me. You are a hero. The end. I hope you enjoyed that story as much as I did. I really like these stories about Quack the Duck. So now, for the next part of our lesson, we will think about what happened and tell what this story was about. Good readers can talk about the story afterwards, not just read the words. We need to think about what happened. I'm going to show you a strategy that is going to help us when we're doing this. We will use this strategy. It's called the 3 W's. Who, what, and why. So we're going to ask ourselves, who is the most important character in the story? What did he or she do in the story? And why did he or she do that? And just a little note on the side, you can use this strategy, parents, with many different books to help better understand yourself if your child read more than just words and was reading and thinking at the same time. Who? Who is the most important character? In the story we just read, Quack the hero, the most important character is Quack the duck. Yes, there was the little girl also, but Quack is the most important. He was the one who did something that was extraordinary at the end. What? What did he or she do? In the story, Quack saved the little girl when she fell out of the boat and into the water. And why did our main character do that? In this story, Quack saved the little girl because he cares about her and he knew that she needed help. When you see the word why, we use the word because to help explain our answer better. So kindergarten readers, make sure you keep on reading and please know how much we all miss you. We're thinking about you and we can't wait to hear how reading goes this week. Bye.